Morning, so today we're off to the waterfalls, so I'll take you with me. First we've just stopped for some fuel and we're just going to go for breakfast, so it's 7 o'clock and we're going to leave early so we don't have to like queue and stuff, so let's just get some fuel and then go for breakfast. This is my breakfast. Just had some mushrooms, scrambled egg, and I sent my bacon back because it weren't crispy enough. I'm just going to eat this now. So we've just got to the waterfall and it took us an hour and 30 minutes from Canggu. Oh my god, my hips are killing me sitting on scooter. So this is the entrance. There's some shops back there if you need like a towel or anything. That's really annoying. And this is the entrance, so let's go. So we've just paid the entry fee and it's 15,000 per person. So this is the little entrance in. It's a nice little walkway. I've had to put my little trainers on so it's nice and comfy. And plenty of little shops. We just come down them steps, it was slippy, and now we just walk into the waterfall. It's really nice views. So we've got here quite early, well it's 9:30 now, and there was about 3 people coming out. I think it opens at 6:30. Ooh, something landed on me. So I think it's best to get here early so like it's clear, because as you can see it's quite narrow. Don't want to be like pushing past people. Some toilets and then some more steps. So yeah, it's a nice view. Just coming down these steps, and as you can see, it's really nice. So as you can see, there's a lot of steps and they're really slippy, so you do need to wear some proper shoes. I've got these on. And they're right steep as well. Just made it down the steps. So we've just come under a little like that. My feet are all wet, but it's good. So we've been in for a quick swim. This is this one. We just stood under there and got wet through. So as you come down the bottom of the steps, if you go right, this is this little one, and then if you go left, it's the big one with where the light comes down, so that's much better. And again, you need to get here early earlier because people were queuing up to get pictures. So. A little coffee break. Wow, so that was tiring coming back up, but it were really good. Now we've just stopped for a coffee and a drink. Just look at the drop off here. Just had my picture in that. That's the drop underneath it. This is where I'm having a little coffee and a drink. Hi, so we've just come to a different waterfall. This is this waterfall. A little bridge, and that was so steep coming down. So let's go in and see what this one's saying. Hi, so hope you like the waterfall videos. We had a really nice day. So I'll just tell you what happened at the second waterfall if you're wondering why you've never seen anything from it. So if you're enjoying this video, like and subscribe for more videos around Bali. So the second waterfall we went to, you're seeing down the steep slope. Oh my god, it was so slippy. I'm not actually sure if that's even open anymore because we walked down, it said open. There was a little like counter where someone would normally sit where you'd pay in. It said open, there was a light on, but there was no one around. There was no other tourists, and I think we got there about 11:30, so you would think it'd be busy by then. And then as we went to walk down, we were shouting hello, hello, to see if like anyone was there so we could pay in. It was like, you know, it's slippy green, and we was all like, woo, and like slipped a few times, was holding on to the bar, so I wouldn't recommend that. If it's even open, we didn't go any further because I felt like I was going to break my arm or something and slip. I don't know if it's open because nobody was there. There was no other tourists there, and it's mega slippy, so again, I would give that one a miss. But again, I don't even know if it's open, so that's it for the waterfalls. It's cheap to get in, they're worth a visit. Get there early because you don't want to be queuing to get into, like for a picture. It started to get busy when we was there. You just want to enjoy your day and it'd be a nice morning, so I'd suggest leaving at 7 o'clock. And if you're going with a tour guide, I'm sure they'd recommend the best time to leave. So that's it for the waterfall. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you've been to a waterfall or what waterfall you recommend in Bali, and like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, bye.